When you're live scoping, I can't overemphasize the importance of the Garmin Force Trolling Motor matched with Livescope, and a couple of reasons for that. Number one, if you're using an old style trolling motor that's just a mechanical foot pedal connected to a cable, what happens is you're going to point over there and on your Livescope, all of a sudden you see fish, okay? Well, you turn it loose. If your boat's drifting at all, that foot on that trolling motor is going to start spinning on its own. It's going to, path of least resistance, and you're no longer pointed at that fish. Whereas when I take my foot off that pedal, that motor is going to stay pointed exactly toward where I had it pointed before. It's going to stay at that exact angle, so I don't have to worry about it flip-flopping on me. The other area where Garmin is just heads and tails above any other trolling motor is I like to look and scan like just a degree or two at a time. I'm just barely turn it and look. Turn it, look for motion. Turn it, look for motion. Turn it, look for motion. And I can make these little bitty micro adjustments to it as I'm scanning, which one, it allows me to really identify fish that would be hard to see if I wasn't looking so closely. And the other thing is to really fine tune on a fish once I find him, so I know exactly where that cast needs to go. So if you're not using the Force Trolling Motor, you're really not getting as much out of Livescope as you possibly could.